Hey guys, so today I am here in my bathroom right now. I am straightening my hair because we have this today to try. It is, that's ugly. We have this ponytail from insert name here. We have this ponytail today that I'm going to be reviewing. Of course, the one time I film, everything just decides to happen in this house. But it's really beautiful. First impressions, let's just jump right into it. This is really beautiful and it matches my hair pretty well. My hair is like slightly more like blonder, but like it's because I have highlights, but like underneath this, it's pretty good. And this is like close enough. This is really beautiful. And I'm gonna say that probably multiple times in this video. But seriously, I was not really expecting this. It's not too thin. My hair is already thick with like 3 C's, sis. So my hair is gonna be ultra thick with this in, okay? But I decided, I literally just got this. I was supposed to get it for my Ariana concert and I was gonna wear it there, but that didn't happen. But it's okay, we're still chilling, we vibing or whatever. And now we have it and oh my gosh. I'm just gonna be like fixing up my hair because I'm going to be putting this on and like, okay, I'm actually stupid. I'm just gonna be fixing it up just a little bit because you won't probably really be able to see it. But I'm really freaking excited to try this ponytail, okay? I've been just like going off about it for the past week. I ordered it about a week ago. And I was expecting it way earlier, but there was a delay with the shipping company, so that really sucks. But I will say the customer support team answered me super quick. So if you guys decide to order from this place, which is called Insert Name Here, literally that's their name, is Insert Name Here, just email them, their customer support team, and they will answer you. And they offered to do a replacement order if I didn't get it in the next week, which I finally did, so I won't be needing to do that. Or they also offered a refund if like I never received it. I almost ordered their ponytail called Ariana, which is like, that was serving major inches. Like I'm talking like, probably on me would go really far. Like it would go way past my butt on me, to be honest. I'm gonna go grab the other things it came with so I can show you. And also, I'm going to move out of my bathroom after I put it on and stuff, but we're just gonna stay in here for now. Okay, so the actual ponytail came in this, and if you're wondering, the style that it's in is Miya, and it's in the color ash blonde. Then it tells you like kind of how to do it. Not really that hard, you're literally just putting on a freaking ponytail, but I've never done it before, so I already read it and I'm going to do it. And then it came with a super cute bag to put it in, and this is like one of my favorite colors. It's like lavender, which I'm really glad that they include that, because if they didn't, I would literally have no idea what to do with it and it would probably get messed up. So that's like really nice and smart of them to include that. They include 2 bobby pins for you. Thanks for that. So I already brushed the ponytail out and I already brushed my hair. And like I said, I've just been kind of fixing it up. All you really need is those bobby pins they gave you and then a hair tie. And this one is like a super tight hair tie. I seriously, every time I touch this, I'm just like, wow. Wow, like look. It literally looks like real hair. And here's a piece that we're gonna wrap around. So I'm gonna put it up in a ponytail and I'm going to come back and we're going to start this process. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, we're back. I have my ponytail. I think it's pretty good. I just put some hairspray. Use my brush. I'm pulling out my bangs. This is before, okay, so remember this. Before. The hairs are kind of getting caught on this, so that's kind of not okay. Okay, so it looks like this, so I guess we just have to clip this above. Okay. Above it. Oh girl! Okay, wait. Pause! I think I did it. I don't know. Let's find out. I'm actually kind of sweating from this, like, come on. be out here killing the game. Ariana who? Ariana who? Just kidding, I love you, but you cannot lie. You cannot tell me. You cannot tell me that this is not killing the game right now. Lie to me. Lie to me. Okay. I might have to redo this part. Let me fix it. But like, this is good. But like, let me fix. All right, ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready for this final reveal? But this video is not gonna end here. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. It's not gonna end here because we don't have makeup on. And in every LyfeAsCam video ever, for the most part, we do makeup. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do a final reveal, okay? And with a better background, better lighting. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm back. My makeup is done and I still got the pony in. And yes, it lasted. I just had to adjust this part one more time. I wanted to do my makeup and then come back and finish off the video with my final thoughts. Especially after having it on for some time. I really love this ponytail. Like, it is cam approved for sure. Sis, look at this. Is this how long it is? Gave my actual hair like a good 1 to 2 inches. I would say probably like 2 inches more length. We're serving looks with this, like, but I'm definitely gonna be using this and I love it and I'm obsessed with it. So what can I say? Yeah, I guess it's pretty much my review. I guess that's where I'm gonna end this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little review, just kind of like fun little video that I wanted to do for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below to join the Cam fam and become a butterfly. I would love to have you. And I also want to say thank you guys for 3K. For some reason, I've been gaining lots of subscribers lately, which is weird because I haven't been that active, which I apologize for. Comment video ideas down below, by the way. But I've been gaining a lot and I've been posting like singing videos just because I wanted to. But yeah, thank you for 3K. And I hope that we continue growing over the next year. I have really high hopes for 2020, so let's make it happen. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.